I've seen a lot of cars come from that Toyota.
All right, we got the infamous P0400 code.
So you try to make money on YouTube?
Hell yeah! All right, we're gonna go over the components. Here's
Buy an American car.
the control valve. Don't mind that guy. This is what the computer turns on. So we follow this vacuum line. This is vacuum all the time. Goes to this, let's say, vacuum solenoid, vacuum filter, vacuum reducer. I'm not sure. And it goes down, right down here, keys into the EGR, and this goes all the way back to that door. Now when you shut the door, when I pinch this, the EGR opens. See how it's running a little rough? Alright, so I'll get my little pincher and we'll look at the little mini scope I have. That is the signal wire on the map sensor. How it runs the OBD2 monitor. There's the code, exhaust gas flow P0400. We're going to look at our little scope multimeter. I'm going to plug this wire. It's going to change. It's going to open the EGR, and we're going to see if we can get a signal out of the map. So we definitely got a signal on, off, on, off. Let's slow this down a little bit. Alright, now it's really slow. We'll wait until it refreshes. On. Off. On. Off. Okay, one more time. On. Off. So what I can say, I have a bi-directional scan tool. I can turn this on and off. This holds vacuum, so the solenoid's good. EGR holds vacuum. When you put vacuum to it, the engine stalls, so I know it has flow. How much flow, I don't know. Filter's not bleeding. I'm not sure what it's called, but some kind of mechanical diaphragm inside. No clogs through here. Now this map sensor's aftermarket. I haven't caught it on the scope yet. It's only a matter of time. Once it glitches out, then I could say it needs a map. The EGR system works great bitchin'. I'm really thinking that this no label, no parts number, aftermarket, maybe eBay sensor. It's just getting biased. I haven't caught it yet. Maybe if I tap on it, I can get it to mess up. Oh, I see a little wobble. Yeah, nothing. See how there's no wobble? Let's see, watch. Tap in on it. Ah! Yeah, I really think that's the map sensor. Alright. Hope you liked the video. Thanks, bye.